Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another business idea series, and today we're going to talk about starting a sticker shop business. So sticker shop kind of falls into digital, sometimes product based, sometimes planner based stickers, bookmark, art prints, and things like that. Um, I did try my best to find a few sticker shops that were completely sticker shops. That is a little hard sometimes because once sticker shops start to thrive, people tend to start asking for more things and they tend to grow. So I am going to show you guys a few sticker shops, how you can get stickers made, stickers on different print on demand sites, and then if you want to take a stab at creating stickers at home like I have in the past, I'm going to show you how you can do that as well and what products you will need. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. All right, so let's get into it. So I looked on Instagram and I found a place called Freckled Sticker Co. It looks like Nicole is the owner, and she also has a planner IG, what seems to be. I guess she just got a site. It's frecklestickerco.com. She has a theme here going. Here it looks like to be Nicole. I see some planner stickers. Um, what else? Giveaways. I see some pictures. Really good branding on this website as well. So I wanted to actually look at our website. So I'm going to go ahead to the tab link and I'm going to go to Freckle Sticker Co., the shop, and let's see what they have. So you can shop by the collection, you can meet the freckle maker, contact us, other things. So make your planner as special as you are. Here are some of the freckle friends with their name. So they have sticker kits, icon stickers, die cuts, script stickers. So let's look at the die cuts because that seems to be one of the most popular type of stickers. So I love how she has this layout of, the size of each stickers and more. Okay, really, really nice. Okay, so let's look at one. So Chanel loves her planner die cut. So it looks like Chanel is about 1.9 times 2.5. And here is a picture of it. Okay, so that is one shop that has their stickers. So another one is Gold Mine and Cocoa. Felicia Jarrell. She was also on my podcast talking about her sticker shop. So I have actually purchased from this shop before. So they have planner stickers, planner girl dolls, functional kits, Miss Peyton. I love Miss Peyton. So we're gonna click on that so you guys can see a full-on planner shop that is very successful that has also been in Michael's, which is amazing. So Miss Peyton functional stickers here. Okay, let's see, where is it? All right, so there's some stickers there, some on dot grid. So here's a full sticker sheet, pay and ship orders, and then you can choose from the actual brown and light brown skin color. So, and they're sold out. Okay. So Miss Peyton is very busy. So they have fall sticker packs as well, which is sold out. You go ahead, Felicia. I know a lot of stuff in her shop actually goes, sells out pretty pretty fast. So again, another example of a shop that has lots of stickers that sells out. Okay, so Brooklyn Post is She Meets City here on YouTube. She has a Etsy shop. I remember watching her videos when she was creating her Etsy shop. So you can purchase from her. She has sticker packs here. That's the outer space pack. Um, let's see it. Look at the Christmas theme sticker pack here. Very nice pictures. Says she has 2,166 sales and her shop has been open since 2018. Like I said, I remember when she launched. She also has more than that, but she does have die cut stickers. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer here. Let's check him out. Going to the North Pole. All right. So again, another sticker shop. Let me close those up. So I found another sticker shop called Black Girl Stickers. And here's a lot of stickers here. Water bottle sticker. A lot of people put them on their hydro flask. But these are some really pretty stickers. Here's looks like maybe a girl at work. Okay. She relaxing. She has 332 sales. Let's see. Let's find another sticker. So I have a children's sticker. Let's go to the third page and see what we find. Oh, a recliner. I love this. These are super cute. Keyboard stickers, black girl stickers, die cut stickers, going Hydro Flash. Looks like really good quality. Okay, so that is another sticker shop there on Etsy. Now we're going to do a search for just stickers so we can see about how many people search for stickers here on Etsy. So we got 2 million search. So let's look at sticker pack. Okay. 290,000. Okay. So lots of people making money off of stickers on Etsy. Okay. I'm not going to go double down into any store, but a lot of these seem like they have themes. Some of them are random sticker packs. But again, awesome. You guys know I love Redbubble. So I'm just going to type in stickers so you guys can see the variety of different stickers that Redbubble have. Oh, look at the otters. I love like space themed stuff. These are plants. Homegirl is plant shopping. Hang on. Let me overthink this. Super cute stickers. You can go into many different directions with stickers here on Redbubble. So that's a good place to start as well. Also, I normally buy stickers from Custom Mule. So they have die cut, circle, rectangle, square, oval, bumper sticker, sticker sheets, kiss cut, vinyl, transfer, stickers, clear stickers, rounded, sticker clings, front adhesive, and holographic stickers, which I do have a few of each kind. Let me see. That's why. Um, so these are from Sticker Mule. Here's the holographic one. Here is a matte one that I created for my packages. Here is my Protect Black Woman one. And I have the Protect Black Men one. Oops, sorry guys. Give me my screen to get big. And then I also have a Susie one. So I'll be sending these to people for the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So check that out. Make sure you guys are a part of that. And then we have Zazzle. So let's just look up stickers on Zazzle. You can create your own. They have handmade ones. They have different people who have like thank you stickers for packages and notes and all that stuff. So this is not the biggest website for stickers, but note that they do have stickers that you can create. Also, TeePublic. Let's check out their stickers. They're pretty much like Redbubble to me. Again, really nice stickers already that we see coming up. Different kinds, different brands, different colors, lots of variety. And then I don't know if you can search for the stickers on Teespring, but let me go hit search merch. And then I'll just type in stickers and see. I don't know how many shop owners do stickers. It had 10,000 search results, but it's not showing me stickers. So let's look. See if we can do stickers only. All right, so here are some stickers here. Disappointment. Werewolf Beyond. A lot of these have backgrounds and are not too much like this. So maybe they found a way to do it better here on Teespring. All right, so the last thing I'm going to show you is what you need if you want to create your own stickers at home. I have a silhouette. I have a silhouette Cameo 3, but they do have a 4. So here, some people use the cameo portrait as well. Of course, you can get the Cricut. Don't judge me if I spell it wrong. So here's the Cricut maker. A lot of people have the Explore Air. I usually get online labels, sticker paper. So, and I usually get glossy. So they have sticker paper here. And that's just about it. And then you would need the silhouette on Cricut Studio to create your stickers. And then, of course, you would need the design or an idea for your sticker shop. So I hope this helps you to decide, like maybe if you wanted to do a sticker business, it could be all Christian based, it could be faith based, it could be obnoxious quotes from reality TV shows or anything that's on TV right now. You can do a whole entire sticker shop on movie quotes. Google what are the top movies for 2020 and get pull some of the funniest quotes from there as well to create a sticker shop just for that store. Also, a really good idea is everyone loves Grey's Anatomy. At least I know I do. If you were to create a Grey's Anatomy like fan sticker shop, that would probably be really good because we would probably all buy it. Especially if you say anything about George or, Meredith or McSexy or McCotty, you know. True fan here. Thanks, Shonda Rhimes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to create a sticker shop from the Business Ideas series. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you check all of the links down in the description box. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace. Woo.